Hey everyone, if you're a Photoshop user, whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional designer, you're going to love what I've got for you today. In this video, I'm sharing a massive brush pack with over 1500 high-quality Photoshop brushes, and the best part, they're completely free to download and use. These brushes cover a huge range of styles and purposes. Whether you're into digital painting, photo retouching, texture creation, or just love experimenting with creative effects, this pack has something for you. Let me give you a quick breakdown of what's inside. You'll find brushes for skin retouching and makeup effects, hair strands and beards, dust, smoke, fire, particles and clouds, grunge, ink, watercolor, and spray textures, lighting and glow effects, fabric and surface details, and tons of abstract and decorative brushes. Each brush is saved in .abr format, so all you need to do is drag and drop it into your Photoshop, and you're ready to go. They work perfectly with all modern versions of Photoshop, including CC, and even older versions like CS6. Need help installing them? Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to import and organize your brushes inside Photoshop. It literally takes less than a minute, and once they're loaded, you'll have access to an amazing set of tools right at your fingertips. What I really like about this pack is how much time it saves. Instead of creating every effect manually, you can just select a brush and apply it in seconds. This makes it perfect not just for artists, but also for content creators, YouTubers, freelancers, and students working on tight deadlines. Imagine working on a poster design or YouTube thumbnail. You can instantly add depth, light effects, or even realistic textures with just a few brush strokes. It's a huge upgrade to your workflow, especially if you want to work smarter, not harder. And if you're into concept art or illustration, these brushes give you the freedom to explore different moods and styles without starting from scratch every time. From soft shading and bold inking to atmospheric lighting, it's all in here. Also, many of these brushes are hand-picked from professional-grade packs, so you're getting a curated selection that's normally hard to find for free. You'll find the download link in the description below. No sign-up, no nonsense, just a clean, direct download. The brushes are organized into folders so you can easily browse through them and pick what you need. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future freebies, tutorials, and design tools I share every week. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with these brushes.